Making money online has never been more accessible, and with AI tools like ChatGPT, you can create a sustainable side hustle or even a full-time income stream. In today's digital era, countless opportunities exist to leverage cutting-edge tools and platforms to earn big. This video outlines a step-by-step approach to generating over $1,000 a day by combining the power of AI with online strategies that require minimal investment and are beginner-friendly. With a little creativity and persistence, these methods can help you transform your financial situation and achieve your goals. Let's dive in and explore how to unlock the potential of ChatGPT and online tools to start earning. Step 1. Understand the potential of AI prompts. One of the most exciting ways to leverage ChatGPT is by creating and selling prompts that deliver specific, consistent results. These prompts are instructions tailored to make AI produce high-quality outputs every time. Platforms like PromptBase serve as marketplaces where you can sell these AI-generated prompts. Think of PromptBase as the Amazon of AI prompts. Here, you can find prompts priced anywhere from $3.99 to $19.99 or more, catering to a wide audience. What makes this opportunity so compelling is the demand. PromptBase gets approximately 441,000 visits every month, which means almost 500,000 people are actively searching for AI solutions. To capitalize on this, you don't need advanced technical skills, just creativity and an understanding of what people want. Whether it's prompts for writing essays, generating art, or streamlining workflows, you can easily fill the demand by designing useful solutions. Step 2. Leverage free advertising tools. Visibility is crucial for success, and advertising doesn't have to break the bank. Tools like Sniply allow you to create free calls to action on external content. This ingenious tool embeds a custom calls to action on any shared link, guiding viewers back to your affiliate offers or services. Imagine sharing a viral video or popular article and having your message displayed prominently at the bottom. It's a win-win for engagement. To use Sniply, sign up for a free trial, create a new snip, and paste the URL of a high-traffic video or article. From there, customize your snip with an eye-catching calls to action, such as claim a $200 coupon today. This strategy works wonders because it combines the credibility of existing content with your unique offer, creating a seamless path for potential customers to take action. With Sniply, even a beginner can build a strong online presence without spending a dime on ads. Step 3. Join affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is a tried-and-true method to earn passive income, and platforms like Temu make it even more lucrative. Temu is often described as the Chinese Amazon due to its affordable prices and vast product range. By joining their affiliate program, you can earn commissions of up to 30% on every sale you generate. Additionally, Temu offers enticing bonuses, such as $200 coupon bundles for new users and rewards for top affiliates. For instance, the top 50 affiliates can compete for bonuses as high as $20,000. What's more, Temu's affiliate program is accessible to everyone. No influencer status is required. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete beginner, the program structure ensures ample earning opportunities. And if you do have an audience, Temu's influencer program sweetens the deal with free products and bi-monthly cash bonuses. The combination of affordable products and generous commissions makes Temu a perfect choice for affiliate marketers looking to maximize their income. Step 4. Build an e-commerce store with AI. If you're looking for a scalable way to earn online, building an e-commerce store is a fantastic option. Tools like Build Your Store AI make this process effortless, even if you've never created a website before. With a minimal upfront cost of just $1 per month for the first 3 months on Shopify, you can get your store up and running in no time. Build Your Store AI handles the heavy lifting, automating everything from design to product selection. All you need to do is select a niche that excites you, be it fashion, gadgets, or home decor, and let the AI curate a store tailored to your preferences. To further streamline operations, integrate tools like AutoDS, which automates order fulfillment and product sourcing. With global e-commerce sales projected to reach $4.8 trillion by 2025, there's no better time to dive into this booming market. An online store not only provides a steady income stream, but also offers endless opportunities for growth. Step 5. Find high-traffic YouTube videos. YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms for generating organic traffic. To get started, search for videos in popular niches like gadgets or lifestyle with at least 100,000 views. These videos have already proven their ability to engage audiences, making them ideal for your promotions. For example, a video showcasing 150 Temu gadgets you must have is a goldmine of potential customers. To maximize this opportunity, download the thumbnail of the video and create a Sniply link with a compelling CTA. By sharing this link, you can redirect viewers to your affiliate offers while riding on the popularity of the video. What's even more exciting is that many of these videos are created using AI and require no on-camera presence, making them accessible to anyone. With minimal effort, you can tap into YouTube's massive audience and drive significant traffic to your links. Step 6. Generate content with ChatGPT. Content is king, and ChatGPT makes it incredibly easy to create engaging posts, articles, and scripts. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to write casual, 500-word social media posts that promote your affiliate links without sounding overly salesy. Additionally, you can craft detailed 2,000-word blog posts optimized for search engines, ensuring your call to action appears strategically throughout the content. Imagine writing an article about the best Temu gadgets for your home and including links to your Sniply offers. The best part? ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on sharing and promoting. By consistently producing high-quality content, you'll establish credibility and attract a loyal audience eager to explore your recommendations. Step 7. Promote on Facebook groups. Facebook groups are a treasure trove of potential customers. By joining shopping-related groups with thousands of members, you can share your AI-generated posts and affiliate links with highly targeted audiences. For example, groups dedicated to affordable shopping or gadget enthusiasts are perfect for promoting Temu products. To save time, use tools like FewFeed version 2, which automates posting across multiple groups. This allows you to reach tens of thousands of people without manually sharing your content. Engaging with these communities not only boosts your visibility, but also builds trust among members, increasing the likelihood of clicks and conversions. With the right strategy, Facebook groups can become a consistent source of traffic and income. Step 8. Publish on Medium. Medium is a fantastic platform for ranking on Google and driving organic traffic. By publishing your ChatGPT-generated articles here, you can attract readers actively searching for related topics. Medium's high domain authority ensures that your posts rank well on search engines, making it easier for people to discover your content. Include your affiliate links and CTAs strategically within the article, guiding readers to take action. For example, an article titled Top 10 Must-Have Temu Gadgets can seamlessly integrate your offers, turning readers into customers. Medium's built-in audience and SEO benefits make it an indispensable tool for growing your affiliate income. Step 9. Create Pinterest pins. Pinterest is a visual platform with immense potential for driving traffic. Use Canva to design eye-catching pins featuring the thumbnails you downloaded earlier. Add captivating text and descriptions, such as Discover 150 Temu gadgets you can't miss, and link the pin to your Sniply or blog posts. Pinterest users often search for inspiration and recommendations, making them highly likely to engage with your content. Posting 5 to 10 pins daily can significantly boost your reach, attracting thousands of potential customers to your offers. With its visually driven audience, Pinterest is a must-have tool in your arsenal. Step 10. Use AI to create videos. Creating videos may sound intimidating, but tools like NVIDIA AI make it a breeze. These platforms let you produce faceless videos using stock footage or generative AI. Simply generate a script with ChatGPT, upload it to NVIDIA AI, and watch as the platform creates professional quality videos. Post these videos on YouTube, including your affiliate links in the description. Videos showcasing top products, such as the best Temu gadgets under $50, are not only engaging but also drive clicks and sales. With YouTube's vast audience and the power of AI, creating high-performing content has never been easier. And that's a wrap, folks. If you've made it this far, congratulations, you're now equipped with some seriously game-changing strategies to make money online using ChatGPT and other amazing tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Got questions or want to share your success stories? Drop them in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay curious, stay ambitious, and keep crushing those goals.